Hi, welcome to BagpipeLessons.net. My name is Gary Guth, and this is a lesson in playing the Dark Isle. The Dark Isle is a slow air written by Ian McLaughlin. It was a sort of a popular song back in the 70s. There's a lot of ways that people play this. However, I like to play it closely to the way that Ian composed it. So we're going to start this lesson with what I think is probably the most important part of any lesson is learning the rhythm. You know, the purpose of bagpipe lessons isn't to take them for the rest of your life. The purpose is to become an accomplished player. And that means that you're able to develop your own music yourself, be able to maintain your own bagpipes, and also be able to play a list of tunes on the Great Highland Bagpipe. So the reason that most people, bagpipers, become dependent is because they don't understand rhythm and so forth. And I have sort of a unique approach. This particular piece is a slow air, and slow airs are in 6/8 time. And what that means is we're not counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're counting 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2, ta ti ta 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 ta. Those are the patterns and so forth. And I teach rhythm by using rhythm patterns. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to look below this, and as you look below, you're going to see the tune, and in between the lines of the tune, you're going to see some syllables. In the first measure, which is an incomplete measure, that's the pickup measure, because not all tunes start on the first beat of the measure. So you're going to see ti-ta. Now ti is short and ta is longer. And then next to that, you're going to see another pattern that's ta-ti-ta. So I have a capital T-A followed by a small T-I and a small T-A. And that's said ta-ti-ta. Say ta-ti-ta. It's Italian. Ta-ti-ta. Like that. Ta-ti-ta. And then the other pattern that's in this piece is ti-ta-ta. Ti-ta-ta. So if you look below on one of the lower lines, you're going to see ti-ta-ta. Now, so what I'd like you to do, since there's only 2 patterns used in this particular piece, I'd like you to take a pencil. You can print out both the tune and the prep drills below. If you look, scroll down, you'll see that there's PDFs that you can print out. I would suggest that you print them out. The best way to learn rhythm is with a pencil. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to write ta, ti, ta, and ti, ta, ta under the melody notes. Okay, so if you'll take a few minutes, we'll pause. You can pause this video, and when you're finished writing it in, we'll go over it. Okay? Okay, welcome back. So if you did it right, follow along with me. Ti ta ta, 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 ti ta ti ta, ta ta, ti 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 ta ti ta, ta ta, ti ta ta. So you say, well, gee, Garrett, what? That doesn't make sense. This is what it sounds like. Ti ta ta, 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 ti ta ti ta, ta ta, ti 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 ta ti ta, ta ta ti ta ta. Ti ta ta, ti ta ta, ti ta ti ta, ta ta, ti ta ta, ti ta ti ta, ta ta, ti ta ta, ti ta ta, ti ta ta, ti ta ti ta, ta ta, ti ta ta, ti ta ti ta, ta ta ti ta ta. ta ta ti ta ta ti ta ti ta 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 ti ta ta ti ta ti ta 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 ti ta 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 ti ta ti ta 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 ti ta 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 ti ta ta. That's the rhythm for the Dark Island, okay? And I hope you took the time to write that in. Now, what you should do is you need to practice saying ti-ta-ta, ti-ta-ta, ti-ta-ta. You got to practice saying that until it becomes fluent. You know, when it becomes fluent, then you can turn on the audio. There's a audio down below. You can push that button and practice singing ti-ta-ta, ti-ta-ta, ti-ta-ta. That's how you learn rhythm to play on the bagpipe. Okay, so the goal, you know, you're not always going to have the recording of the tune as you learn a new tune. You're going to have to figure out the rhythm on your own. And I would suggest that you do the rhythm before you even pick up the practice chanter and do the fingering. Okay, so work on the rhythm first, and then in the next video we're going to talk about developing the fingering to the Dark Island. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free and email me. Okay, have a good day.